Hey, welcome guys, it's Pocket Miner. Welcome to my first video. For my first video, we're doing a PvP. Dogs versus dogs. So my PvP is put up. So what this is exactly is that, as you can see right here, there is dogs. You get close, you start hearing growling. Alright. Again, close to it. Okay guys, so you guys want to hear and see, and let's get started. So it says sand. This is redstone for 0.9 and all that stuff when you don't have redstone. Look at that battle. Look at that, look at that. You can hear all animals getting hurt. Let's see who wins. Skeletons or dogs? I go for dogs. Dogs are going furious. But they're getting hurt. I guess the winners for right here are skeletons. Unless at least one dog can pull it off. You can hear a lot of dogs dying. Okay, so we found a winner. Wait, let's see if that's... Whoa, guys! Skeletons got completely destroyed. Skeletons got completely destroyed. Nice work. So, you guys want to put up with one more battle? We are going to put up with this We're going to put up with this battle. Since this battle is really difficult to see. So, let's see how much time can a skeleton survive with 30 dogs. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now in 3 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 seconds. Can put up with just one dog. So if I actually collected out of this, let's see how much I collected. 64. Wow. Like, let's just put a villager. A villager would be good. Wait. Nope, I keep messing up. Just darker. Okay, then now I get ready to start something. What happened? Okay, no, that didn't work, but I know what will work is the classic. Chasing around villagers. It's a crazy PvP with zombies getting hurt. Villagers. I think the winners over here are going to be the dogs and the villagers. But some of them are becoming normal villagers. Wow, that is a crazy battle. We will check after. they were watching this video and they said how to do bait. So we're gonna do bait right now. This is how you do. I hope this actually works. First, get glass. Finish it first. Guys, still haven't finished bait. I want you guys to see this. What's gonna happen when I do this? Oh! Okay, so we got bait now. Cause he's like that, right? They'll walk in and they wow. Peaceful. Peaceful. I think I ruined this world. Okay. Peace, guys. And subscribe.